Hi guys, this is Buick and you're here in 12-hour shift. Andito po tayo ngayon para mag-unbox ng isa sa mga gagamitin natin sa pag essential sa pag home base ay meron kang backup PC. In case something happens, in case you need to move somewhere, you need like a portable one that you can carry para madala at makapagtrabaho. And this is
Pasensya na po sa putang inang langaw.
the reason why we decided na mag-acquire ng bagong gagamitin para sa ating pag-home base. So, this is something that people would think that sobrang overkill and masyadong mahal or something. But if you're, my suggestion, and for me, para sa mga mag-i-invest, in case you will be investing on something, you need to get something that would future-proof your electronics. Meaning, you're gonna buy, for example, you're gonna buy like a low-end laptop, tapos it will serve you for like a year, and then you're gonna buy another one for next year. So, if you're gonna buy something, make it sure that you can use it for the next 5 years or 6 years. So that's my that's what my rules in buying something. It's you need to future proof on your gadget. So without further ado again, we will be starting to unbox this one. So what I got is the Nitro 5 from Acer. So, syempre, ang usual ng mga tao na gumagamit ng mga gadgets is, hold on, yeah, this one. They get ROG. Syempre, mga mid-range na naman tayo, hindi naman tayo mayaman. Okay. In case in ka sa mga ganitong content, make it sure that you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell para malupin kayo sa ating mga content. So ito na. Wala. Okay. The usual, sorry for the lighting kasi medyo the usual sa mga gadgets is 7 days replacement and roughly 2 years warranty or 1 year warranty, but sometimes they provide like an accidental damage warranty. I'm not sure if they offer it on your store, but in case something happens like accidents like LCD cracks or LED cracks or bezel cracks, it covers that. That's accidental damage. So I think you need to add additional 1,000 pesos or like 3,000 pesos on the top of the price of the laptop. So it's like insurance. So let's open it. Hold on. Okay, so okay na, adjust natin yung camera. So this one contains this box. Of course, this box contains the brick, the power brick, and this is the power brick, and then the cable, and then for your upgrade, it is included. In case you don't have this, please ask, because you need this in upgrading the hard drive of your laptop, because this one only has like 256 SSD, so we need this one. So after this, so also this comes with a leaflet. It's sealed. Kasama siyang mga sticker pang eme. Okay. And then the manual. Yeah. So ito yung mga description. Not sure if this is Thailand, but may English din siya sa description. Tapos meron siyang cloth lang, hindi siya, kasi alam natin sleeve. Ano? Yeah, this is the Nitro. Yeah. So, ang isang napansin ko dito, because of the finish of this one, makikita mo lagi may, yun naman ang usual sa laptop is mag-smudge yung oil mo sa kamay. So, I'm not sure, I know meron sa mga mall dito sa Philippines na lalagay ng parang sa cellphone na protector para hindi siya mag-smudge. The good thing with this Nitro is so easy to open. Yan. So, ito, may additional details and information this. Meron siyang yun pala. It comes with a 2-year warranty. So, 7 days replacement and 2-year warranty. Tapos, you will register this laptop after 7 days. Kasi syempre, i-replace mo pa yan. Kasi on mo na. Okay. So, yung keyboard is RGB. So, it comes with an i5 10th gen. Graphics card is RTX 3060, 6GB. SSD niya is 256, pero pwede ka pa mag-upgrade. Tapos, this can hold up to 216 GB RAM, but this comes with 8 GB only. So, you need to have like additional roughly 6,000, 7,000 for the update. Yan. For me, para sa akin, this is a good buy. Maganda naman siya. Presentable. And sana magtagal. I hope this is like a short video lang. I'll be uploading for my additional details regarding this laptop. Okay. Salamat sa mga wait lang. Kasi all done. Yan. Salamat sa mga nanood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell. I'll be updating the Windows for this. It comes with a Windows 10 Home. And you can upgrade it to Windows Pro. Yun lang. Meron siya Nitro Sense. Pwede mo siyang i-edit yung mga RGB sa laptop, sa keyboard. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Have a good one.